Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet flip-flop keychain, and I used a G-hook medium worsted yarn, and it's about 1.5 inches and about 3.5 for the length. And you can also make an opening for some chapstick. The pattern is down below. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to yarn over, pull through for a total of 13 chains. Yarn over, skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, insert your hook in the next chain and work a double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and double crochet in the same chain. If you need to slow down the video, there is a link down below on how to slow down your video and for beginner stitches. Then double crochet in the next 8 chains until you get to the last chain. Then work your last chain, 5 double crochet. It's going to look like this, and then in that last one, 5 double crochet, and work in a continuous round. Do not turn. You're going to work on the opposite side. Work 1 double crochet in the next 8 stitches. And then work 2 double crochet in the last stitch, and then you're going to slip stitch into the chain 3 to complete this round. Now you're going to chain 2 and work 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through all 3 loops for a half double crochet, 2 in the same stitch, and then repeat that again, 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. Then work a half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then work a single crochet, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then single crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then half double crochet in the next stitch. And then work 2 half double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Okay, you're done on that. Then half double crochet in the next stitch, and then a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. And 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Half double crochet in the last stitch, and then slip stitch into the chain 2. Okay, slip stitch and yarn over, pull through, weave in your ends, and make 2 of these. Then take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. Fold the sole in half, count up about 6 stitches, and then the front post next to that stitch you're going to slip stitch in with white yarn. And then you're going to chain 10. Go to the center hole there, and in that front post you are going to slip stitch to create the strap, and then chain 10 again, and then you're going to slip stitch and connect it to the opposite side. And then slip stitch on the opposite side, count up about 6, go to the front post and do the exact same thing with a slip stitch. And now you're going to slip stitch in each chain of the strap back to the beginning. Now connect your other sole together and do a slip stitch until you get to the top. So take both of the stitches together and create a slip stitch. Okay, so when you get to the top, before your loop for the keychain, you can create 2 slip stitches in just one of the soles, and then after the loop, you can create a slip stitch in 2 of the stitches into just one of the soles for an opening for the chapstick, or you can connect both of the soles together if you don't want an opening for the chapstick. On the top, you can create a loop of a chain 10. Slip stitch into the same space for the loop, and then you'll slip stitch into the next 2 spaces on just one of the soles so you can keep an opening for the chapstick. Once I have the opening that I'd like from the chapstick, I'm going to connect the 2 soles together again until I get back to the beginning. Here's the opening with the chapstick. Okay, we're back at the beginning. I'm going to slip stitch and then weave in my ends, and then my flip-flop will be complete. I can add a keychain on top as well. Now I'm just going to weave in my ends, and then this cute crochet flip-flop is complete. And I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more tutorials.